Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Short run questions are free points if you lock one idea fast. Not every input can change, and that clue tells you the answer quickly. Start with the definition. In the short run, a firm can change some inputs, like labor, but at least one input cannot adjust yet, and that fixed input is the key. Now compare the choices. If all inputs vary, that describes the long run, not the short run. And if no inputs vary, production cannot capture the usual short run setup. That leaves the statement saying the firm has at least one fixed input, which matches the definition exactly, so option B is the correct choice. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, rushing past definitions. Rule, trust the given wording and check each choice against the short run definition.